Okay, so the next product in the Cleanse and Restore kit is DDR Prime. I honestly don't know what DDR stands for, but I know that this again is a blend of essential oils to help with cellular support. So it's called the Essential Oil Cellular Complex. So it's a blend of 8 oils. Again, it comes in a plant-based seaweed soft gel, bright yellow, looks like sort of large pearl size. So this is frankincense essential oil, wild orange, Lycia fruit oil, thyme, clove, summer savory, niaouli and lemongrass. Now these oils were developed specifically to support cellular health. Now 2 of these oils, frankincense and lemongrass, there are studies showing that they are very good in supporting apoptosis. Now apoptosis is just a long scientific word for natural cell death. So all our cells die, and some of them really quickly reproduce themselves, like our skin, and some of them take a lot longer, like our bones. But every 7 years, every single cell in our body will have regenerated itself at least once. So it's really important that the old cells that might be damaged and have served their purpose and are no longer needed, that they die off so that they can be excreted by the body, or they get recycled, they get reabsorbed and their components reused. But it's really important that they die off. So if that doesn't happen, that can cause overgrowths and tumours and all sorts of problems. So apoptosis is a really important part of our natural cell health. So frankincense and lemongrass have been found to support apoptosis. So either they really get inside the cell, and all the essential oils are quite unique in that they can get not just through our skin membranes, but actually through our cell membranes and get inside cells on a cellular level to help boost them. So frankincense and lemongrass either help the cell to heal itself so that it can continue to function for a bit longer as a healthy cell, or they can help trigger apoptosis if the cell has become a bit stuck and is not dying as it should, frankly. So this is what DDR Prime is particularly designed for. So it's great for just supporting healthy cells. And the lining of our gut is a particular membrane that's just 1 cell thick. And they're really important cells because they need to protect our blood, if you like, and the more internal workings of our body from the food and all the waste products that are passing through our gut. So some people say that if you swallowed a marble, for instance, you know, it could go straight through you. It is possible. People do colon cleanses and then chink, this marble that they swallowed as a child just comes out of them. You kind of hear it go chink in the bowl. So it is possible for things to pass straight through us without entering into our body, if you like, through the lining of the gut wall. So that's what the gut wall is there to protect us from things that we might swallow that we don't actually want in our bloodstream because they're too big, obviously, in the case of marble. But there are other things we might eat that we don't want in our bloodstream because they're too big, or they're waste products. They're just things that would not be healthy to have in our bloodstream. So the membrane is there, the gut membrane is there to allow our blood to pass on one side of the membrane and the food and nutrients and things on the other side, and then we want to be able to just selectively allow all our multivitamins and all our vitamins and minerals and all the good stuff, the protein and the fats and the things that we need to build our body, We want those to be able to pass through the cell membrane, but we want the cell membrane to block off other substances that would not be healthy. So it's a very delicate balance of keeping that membrane healthy so we don't get what's called leaky gut syndrome, where we have all sorts of gaps and then the wrong things will pass through that membrane, which can cause inflammation in the body and general ill health and all sorts of chronic digestive problems and chronic ailments and pain and all sorts. So this is the product you want to heal your gut membrane if you have any of those issues, and frankly we might not even know. So it's included, it's here for everyone in the Cleanse and Restore kit, and it's a great if you're anxious about issues in your family to do with cellular health. This is just a really good, there's so much of those issues in my family. So this is a really good one, again, to have every day if that's something that you really want support with. Just a really good life insurance policy here. So this is your DDR Prime. It also comes in a bottle, looks like that, so you could use it as an oil, you can use it topically. It's great for healing skin if you have really if you have skin issues that are a bit more problematic. This could be one you can buy and dilute it with coconut oil and just apply it topically directly, or you can take it internally easily in the soft gels. So that's your DDR Prime. So again, some people like to take this throughout the entire 30 days or as part of their maintenance dose, like I do, or other people, as it says, recommends in the back of this book, they'll say just take it for the last 10 days. I would say if you think you might have any leaky gut issues, take it for the first 10 days as well, and the last 10 days. But it's a little bit optional. So that's the DDR Prime Cellular Health Complex.